मैं तनु शर्मा आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ आईएमटी एलुमनाई एसोसिएशन की ओर से एलुमनाई टॉक में। कॉलेज सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स, बिल्डिंग और सिलेबस तक सीमित नहीं रहता, बल्कि कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स को एक एक्सपोजर देता है, एक मौका देता है जहाँ स्टूडेंट्स अपने अचीवमेंट, अपने टैलेंट से कॉलेज का नाम रोशन करते हैं। और ये रिलेशन सिर्फ एडमिशन से प्लेसमेंट तक का नहीं होता, बल्कि यहाँ पर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट की लाइफ को शेप करता है और स्टूडेंट्स कॉलेज की लेगेसी को। तो आज अपनी इस खूबसूरत जर्नी लेकर हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं हमारे एलुमनाई। आपको बहुत बहुत स्वागत है एलुमनाई टॉक में। योर गुड नेम?
My name is Sameer Mirza.
ओके, कहाँ से हैं आप?
And first of all, thank you, Tanu, for giving such a beautiful introduction. I'm from Muzaffarnagar, UP, not very far from here. And and I have been a student here, and I've completed my bachelor's, BTech, to be specific, in electrical and electronics engineering.
इन विच ईयर?
In 2016.
ओके, 2016 में आपने यहाँ से पास आउट है।
Yes.
तो क्या सोचकर यही कॉलेज आपने चुना? वाई आईआईएमटी यूनिवर्सिटी?
So the first thought was, so I was referred to this college, I knew someone जो यहाँ पे पढ़ चुके थे, and he has given me some nice feedback, right? And I always believed in developing my own skills, right? And I see the institution as a helping hand. Right, okay. And it is closer to my hometown, right? And I'm the oldest son, so my parents needed me all the time. So I thought that I could stay close to them and अपनी studies भी complete करता रहूँगा, right? And but I mean, it started with this thought, but then when I joined IMT, it changed altogether. I mean. IMT helped me, grow so much, taught me so many things, nice things. I have met some nice friends, and I've met some nice faculties. जिन्होंने throughout the BTech, I mean, helped me grow. Like I was never like this, like when I came to IMT. But when I left IMT, it was changed altogether. My view, my personality, everything.
ठीक है, इस पर हम बात करेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं जानना चाहूँगी किस प्रोफेशन में आप इस टाइम हैं?
So I am a quality engineer at Trigo Global, which is in Windsor, Canada. So yeah.
Okay. When in 2016 आप स्टूडेंट रहे, कभी सोचा था कि you will go in this field, you will choose this profession?
So I always wanted to be an engineer. Path जो था वो defined नहीं था, and because there were a lot of things, like in 2016, because I was a fresher, and I had some skills, but then I knew that in order to land a nice job, I needed to learn a lot of new skills. But then again, so the first job I got, it was with Amazon, right? In the IT department, right? So it was basic IT support, right? Because those skills I knew from the very beginning, right? And they needed someone who could communicate with the whole team, right? Discuss their issues and everything. So quality engineer, at first it was like never my game. I really did not have any idea that I'll go into this field. But then it changed when I started my journey in Canada. But then I worked mostly in IT at Amazon.
Okay.
Here.
In 2016, you were here as a student, but now you are here as an alumni. कैसा लग रहा है आके इतने दिन बाद IMT यूनिवर्सिटी में?
Oh, there are so many new faces. I'm
और
overwhelmed.
क्या change आपको देखने को मिला?
Change. Well, definitely a change in the crowd. When we were here, हम लोग, we used to hesitate किसी को approach करने में, and but now I'm seeing so many faces, and like today morning, I met two students from MBA. Like they were in MBA second year, and they came and they greeted us and they talked really nicely, right? And it changed, and I was looking at them, and then the thought came to my mind कि इनकी age में how I was, I could not interact with any alumni, like I did not have that capability, but it definitely changed, and I think
this is fact. आज की generation में there is a huge difference.
Correct, yes. So it changed, and it's a nice change. I mean, definitely it's a nice change.
Okay. एक student और अब professional life में transition कैसा रहा?
Well, I believe that I'm still a student, right? I'm learning so many things, and but like not the official student status now, but I keep learning new things. Like right these days, I have developed this interest in AI, so I'm learning about AI. But transition was smooth, mostly in I would say Canada, because I was pursuing my masters and at the same time I was doing a part-time job, right? So I joined this company in the very beginning as a part-time worker, right?
Okay.
And then I switched to full-time role, right? So transition was smooth because I used to attend to my classes during the day, right? And because it was on alternate days, and then during the evening I used to work, right? So it was smooth, and I think the people around us makes it smooth. So it all depends कि आप कितनी activities में कितना active हो
Active,
within organization and within a college or university as well. So I would say it was smooth, and my faculties made it smoother, I would say, here at IMT and University of Minnesota.
अगर आपने फैकल्टीज की बात की है तो ये पूछना बनता है, ऐसा कोई फैकल्टी या ऐसे कोई भी एक मोमेंट रहता है ना, हम कभी नहीं भूल सकते, क्या रहा वो IMT यूनिवर्सिटी से?
There were a lot of moments, so I am confused. मैं वो बताऊँ जब मुझे embarrass किया गया क्लास के सामने, या
दोनों बता
फिर
दीजिए यार, हमारे पास टाइम की कमी नहीं है, we have lots of time.
You know, back in 2014, because I joined in 2012. So in 2015, there was not a lot of opportunities when you get to stand up in class and speak in English, right? So I sometimes got bullied because of that, because I spoke a lot of English, which I'm doing right now, and maybe I shouldn't. So I'll try to keep it in Hindi. So वो हुआ था. It was a small incident, but I never took it to my heart. And secondly, so there was this first placement drive that I remember about. There was this company and we had a placement drive in Greater Noida, IMT Greater Noida. So we went there, and from my batch, there were 5 to 6 people, including me, who got to the final round. Right? Though I got rejected, but when I came back, all of my faculties appreciated me. I mean, they noticed it and they appreciated me in front of the whole class. So that was a moment to cherish for. So I mean, I think this is the most recent event for me, because it happened in 2016, and some of the nicest events at the IMT college. Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात कर कर. मैं एक मैसेज चाहूँगी कि हमारी जो ऑडियंस देख रही है, हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स देख रहे हैं, आप अभी की जो यूथ है, स्पेशली हमारे IMT का जो क्राउड है, उन्हें आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे एज एन एलुमनाई और यहाँ के स्टूडेंट रहकर भी?
Yeah, so I'll speak very frankly. So don't waste your time, right? So let's say you are completing your studies right now, okay, and or you have just completed your studies, और आपको कोई ऐसी job मिल रही है that you don't want to work in that field, right? But this is the only job you have. So don't wait for a nicer job. So just start working. Always keep learning, right? And do not let yourself demotivated at any point of time, right? Because things will eventually get better, right? So I was here, right? I tried all of this, right? The first job I got, I never wanted to do that, but then it helped me grow so much. Then I used to get learn every day. और आप ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे लर्न करते हो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप आगे बढ़ते हो. इवन आपको कोई चीज़ पसंद भी ना हो तब भी, हाँ, सो यू शुड गो फॉर इट, बिकॉज इवेंचुअली आप इससे स्टार्ट करोगे तो यू विल रीच एट अ पॉइंट जब चीज़ें आपकी पसंद की होने लगेंगी. So you will eventually get to that point. So just trust in yourself and be confident always.
Okay, thank you so much. बने रहे IMT Alumni Association के साथ. वीडियो को शेयर करें, लाइक करें, और ऐसी और एलुमनाई टॉक्स आप तक आते रहेंगे.